flatbed tow truck, and construction vehicle set. Cool. Okay, here we have orange front loader, and here's his driver. The driver is wearing orange vest and the blue pants, along with an orange helmet. Wheel loader. Here we have a red cement mixer. And here's his driver. The driver is wearing a red vest and gray pants, along with the red helmet. Cement mixer. Here we have a dump truck. Yellow and blue dump truck. And here's his driver. The driver is wearing a blue helmet, blue vest, and black pants. They're ready to start working. But let's open up this toy, see what we have inside. We have a flatbed tow truck. Here we have a red car, and the tow truck is blue, and it can tow many vehicles away. Let's see if we can tow away the dump truck. Yes, he can. Now let's see if he can tow away the cement mixer. Of course he can. Now let's check out if he can tow away the front loader. Yes! This tow truck can tow away any of these vehicles. Let's see what vehicles we have hiding inside our garages today. We have red garage, white garage, and the blue garage. Starting with the red garage. Oh no, it's locked. How about the white one? It's locked too. Let's try the blue one. Oh no, they're all locked. But that's okay, because I have the keys. So let's start by opening the blue garage with the blue key. I wonder who's inside. And here we have an orange skid steer. Orange skid steer. Let's see who's hiding behind the white door. Let's try the white key. Yes, it worked! Let's see who's inside here. We have a yellow school bus. Check him out. He has a stop sign in the back and one on the side that comes out and goes back in. Yellow school bus. Now let's see who's hiding behind the red door. Let's try the red key. Whoa! We have a fun excavators with lots of fun colors. Here's yellow, green, and blue. Excavator. Alrighty, excavator, in you go. Red, white, blue. Green, orange, yellow, red, blue. Yellow, yellow school bus. Red, red fire truck. Blue, blue car. Green, green garbage truck. Orange, orange tow truck. Yellow school bus. Orange tow truck. Green garbage truck. Red fire truck. And a blue car. green, orange, yellow, red, blue. Yellow, yellow school bus. Red, red fire truck. Blue, blue car. Green, green garbage truck. Orange, orange tow truck. Yellow school bus. Orange tow truck. Green garbage truck. Red fire truck. And a blue car.
The school bus. The school bus is going to leave right now. Please fasten your safety belt. Here we are. Please get off the school bus. Have a nice day. Getting the school bus. The school bus is going to leave right now. Please fasten your safety belt. Here we are. Please get off the school bus. Have a nice day.
Small school bus. Big school bus. this school bus.